Yeah, we're good.
We'll see if we have an 11F.
We're putting together the glass tree named Carnivale Grande. I've been working on it for the past 5 or 6 months. To get here today, we've already assembled it once and taken it down, and all the pieces are labeled by tier and by position on the trunk.
Could you get me D3?
We're looking for 3D. We're bringing them out of the boxes, the stems and the glass, and handing them to the crew that are substantially all volunteers.
This sculpture is made from stainless steel and from glass. Each of the individual pieces of glass is blown. Each individual piece probably takes somewhere in the neighborhood of an hour to blow out.
Hand up those 4 stems. A lot of pieces, over a couple hundred, and they all have to be in the right position, and it's like a mosaic.
To do something like this takes a crew, and so many people have been involved in making this.
Now, if we can bring those other planks over, we'll put them over here like a bench.
The best thing today, great weather, nothing is broken. I think, Peter, is that a good thing? What's the best thing about this today? Nothing is broken. So far, so good.
We've put a little distance between the plates, between some of the elements, so that they don't hit each other in the wind.
Peter is a building contractor by profession, but he has found another calling through art.
We've been referring to it as Grande Carnivale because it's very festive. The colors are inspired by the carnivals that are held in Italy.
And this is just adding a little color to the great work of so many dedicated healthcare professionals.
It's just amazing. I'm really looking forward to showing this off, if you would. I thank him and Jane for all that they do for us, but this is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
It's just unbelievable. It's beautiful, it's vibrant. It just exudes joy and happiness.
It is leaving a legacy and a mark and something that will uplift people whenever they come to this facility.